YouTube，你今天过得好吗？
哦，我今天过得好吗？
啊哈，
可以。
很好，很好，很好。Okay.
厉害。
You guys, what's good? Welcome back to another video. Today we're in a place called Xiamen in China. A little bit of an unexpected trip today because I have a layover here. And check it out, it's a vibe. I hope you guys are all doing well, enjoying life. Enjoying life.
Smashing your projects.
Smashing your projects, yes. Today guys, I decided to use the 85mm and we're gonna see what the strangers are like. This is so cool to be here as well guys because it's not a very well-known city, so it's kind of like we are really the only foreigners here. Xiamen is a island in the middle of China, well the middle of China no, like heading towards the south near Taiwan. And I just have a little layover here, so I have 8 hours before I fly to Melbourne. I was on the plane, met this German guy here, he's flying to, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
What's up? What?
We're in Xiamen.
We're in Xiamen!
Ever been in Xiamen?
Have you been? Let us know in the comments, have you been to Xiamen before?
First time.
First time.
But it's very cheap here.
Man, how much did we buy there for? We bought 2 drinks guys for?
It's about
7 cents.
7 cents. Nothing.
7 cents. We're gonna stay here. So yeah, we're gonna see what the vibe is. We're gonna get some strangers and have a look and see what are we feeling. Hey guys, excuse me. You guys speak English? A little? I'm doing a video. I take photos of strangers on the street. It's my first day like this. So I was gonna ask if you guys wanted a picture. Because I saw you guys with the... It's for YouTube. Yeah? You want one too? Yeah. Okay, so I think about maybe here in the street. Yeah. So when it's, with this time, when it's green, then we can stand here in the road and I'll tell you some like different poses and... Guys, my first day in Xiamen. First day in Xiamen.
Me too.
Ah, where are you from?
Shanghai.
Shanghai. You too?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you speak Chinese?
Buhao Chinese. My Chinese is Buhao. Guys, come this. Okay, so maybe just stand right here first. Yeah. Yes, just say like this again. Say like this again. Perfect. Yeah, just like that. Perfect, just like that. Awesome. And one looking in this direction, like looking this way. And say maybe this hand like this on your hip. Perfect. Now it's gonna look awesome. Put your hand in the hip. Oh, now can we go on the road? No? See, just here, just here. Like this again. See. Willing to download the photos. Okay, bye guys. Have a good day. It's a very like classic vibe, no? Guys, check out this classic. This kind of reminds me of like Thailand when they... Speak English or little? It's to take photos. I can show you YouTube. She didn't speak any English at all. I need to know a little bit of Chinese. Hey guys, check this out. So we've just seen this super old theater because I've seen it. I saw a bunch of people taking photos here. And look at it. It's a vibe. Es una vibra. Hey guys, excuse me. I'm a photographer and I take photos of strangers when I like their style. And your dress just popped out to me if you wanted a picture. Yeah? Are you guys a couple?
Yes.
And then after maybe we can get some together.
Oh, okay, thank
Yeah.
you.
Where are you from? Xiamen?
Yes.
Okay, nice. First day in Xiamen today. Okay, thank you. Maybe, wait, do you guys want to get some here? And then we can get some with this in the building. Let me just tell my friend, where is he? Can we do looking at each other and then maybe holding these 2 hands? No, holding hands? You guys hold hands in China, no? Or like this? See, like this. Yeah, yeah, it's like that. Perfect, nice one. And maybe one walking towards me, so like just walking. Yep. Okay, ready. Awesome, and now just stay there. And maybe can I get one like this? Maybe one hand just like this on the hip, or even like this way. Perfect, yeah. Yeah, stay like that, and maybe this hand coming up like this. Perfect, stay there. Come a little more this way. Damn. Yeah, like that. And last one just like this. Perfect. And this one a little bit closer. Awesome, yeah, it's like this to the side and looking back at me. Perfect. Okay, boom. Got them guys, check this out. That looks cool, walking. Yes. Damn, no WeChat, Instagram? Do you guys have Instagram? No. Email. Take a photo of this Who's Your Brad, just in case, like if I can't contact you, so you know who's your Brad. And maybe you can message me, but I will send you the photos. But this is to watch, like, because I'm making a YouTube video, so you guys can see this on the internet. So the name is Who's Your Brad. Just remember, like, take a picture or something. Otherwise, this week, by next week, there will be a video.
Okay. Thank you.
And I'll send you the pictures.
Okay.
Thank you guys. Bye bye. Have a good day. See you later. I know, it's so good. He's on the bags, guys. He's on the bags. He's keeping us safe.
I'm every time here.
I'm like Barcelona vibe, and I'm like, holy shit, where are the bags? Hey guys, sorry. Hey, my name's Brad. I'm a YouTuber. Do you speak English? Or a little? I love your style. You guys look really cool. And I take photos of people for Instagram and YouTube like this for free. Now it doesn't work. Not working, but see.
Wow.
I have more, but internet's not working in China. Both together. Here though in the square. By the cars. Where are you guys from? Xiamen? Xiamen? First day in Xiamen for me. First day. Yeah. 你今天过得好吗？
什么？
你今天过得好吗？
哦，我今天过得好吗？
啊哈，
可以。
很好，很好，很好。Okay.
厉害。
We're saying the Chinese we know, guys. We're saying the Chinese we know.
在记录是吗
Yes, for YouTube. Yes. So just like stand here. My battery, one second, let me just change the battery. First, some portraits, just standing still. So maybe one here, stand here. Just stay here looking at me first. Oh, yes. And now we do some here in the street. And you can walk as well and everything. Yeah. And maybe one like this, hand on the hip. And this way coming forward. Perfect, stay there. And looking in this direction. Amazing, yeah, stay there. Oh, we did the first ones. They look good. The walking cool, no? I love this one, I love this side.
I like you too.
Oh yes, awesome. They look good. Like, okay, nice. And then maybe we can be your friend as well. So let's see, maybe first, let me get one just with you standing here. And then I want to get one like this. See, and maybe you can do something like this on the wall and then looking, I'll see. Yeah? Perfect. Do you want me to hold the phone? I'm not going to rob you. And then looking up in this direction, like looking up here. Oh, 很好, stay here, one more, again. Yeah, to the camera, perfect. Yeah, stay there like serious, like this, like. Oh, without smiling, just like serious. It looks good. Model. Yeah, like that. Yes. And now let's do one smiling now. Smiling. Like, yeah. This one in Chinese.
Huh?
How do you say in Chinese?
Chinese?
Mandarin. How do you say smiling?
微笑吗？
微笑吗？
微笑，
微笑。
那笑是吗？
微笑. Okay. So 微笑. And we'll do here. You want to see so far?
哇哦！哎，好看哦。
Yes, look at this. I love this.
嗯。你能听得懂我说什么吗？
And spin. Okay, vamos. Yeah. Perfect. Looks super good. Look.
Oh. Wow. Cool.
Yes.
So cool.
Okay, nice. And do you guys want one together or? Yeah.